will be planting our pots that are by our kitchen door entrance. This is the entrance that we use the most, so I really would like to have something pretty when I come home and I park my car and enter the house this way. So I actually did a couple of videos on these pots before. There's one in the fall and there's one right before Christmas. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the plants now. Okay, so I'll start with this Cordyline, and I will be using this plant as a focal point in 3 of the containers. I really love the architectural detail in this plant. I love the color. It's almost like burgundy brown, but it goes with all colors. To me, almost like a neutral color. So it also has very decent height. Once you put it in the container, it's very hard to find those plants that have instant height when you put them in your pots. So this is one of them. So Cordyline. The next one is a purple Angelonia, and I just love this adorable plant. Now this is a Bacopa blue sand. Very kind of like a blue-purple color flowers. Now these are Superbells Grape Punch, and that purple is stunning. So this is sweet potato vine, this is emerald lace, and you know how the sweet potato vine has like a very solid leaf? I love like this like kind of airy texture on this one. Yeah, I've never grown this one before, so really curious about this. And I am going to plant some Dusty Millers because I was looking for something white for the containers, but I didn't want white flower. I almost wanted that gray kind of white. These were perfect. So so there's a plant behind me. This is a China Girl holly, and I will explain to you why I will be planting this one in one of the containers next. Okay, I just wanted to show you the space. So this is our kitchen door, and I have 5 pots over here, and I was working really hard to get that algae out of those lower pots, and they just won't come out. I'll have to try harder next time. Anyway, we also have these dryer vents over here and a water meter and some algae over there that I probably have to paint over. But if I plant a holly right in that pot, I think that will take care of that view. And we also have these hollies right here. These are China Girls as well. And there's a China boy in the back, which means that he will pollinate all of the girls, and they will produce beautiful red berries in the winter. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm done with the pots. I'm very pleased with this arrangement. It has all the different colors in here, but they're like sort of subdued. So the Cordyline is not bright red, it's like burgundy, brown. The Dusty Miller is not like this crazy white, it's kind of more grayish color. There's tons of purples to cool this down because there's a lot of sweet potato vine that is like that lime green. So I'm very pleased with this. As for the care for these containers, I probably will fertilize them in a couple of weeks. I could use Osmocote or some other like a Miracle Grow fertilizer. Anyway, I did not explain the clematis right here actually. So that's kind of a temporary plant in here because I saw it. I was like, oh my God, I love the colors of the flowers. I have to have it. but it is a perennial, so it is going to stop blooming probably in a couple of weeks. So I will put it out in the landscape, and it was on sale, so I had to have it. And then when I pulled it out of the pot, there were two plants in there. I was like, wow, that's a winner. So anyway, I hope you like this video. Please, if you have any questions or comments, post them in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.